Once you log in, look for the cash. Then press the cash. You see I only got 71 cents. And then you press the deposit. And you will have your unique deposit code that you have to key in your comments bank deposit area. And they will give you the bank account number and the beneficiary name. You just key in and transfer the money to Coinhako. After a few days, the money will go inside to your account. See, now I only 71 cents. After a few days, they will email you, tell you that they have transferred the money into your account. And I checked, yes, now it's 171 cents. So now you can start buying your Bitcoins. Thank you.